पहले जमाने में बैग लड़कियों का गहना था।
हाँ जी आंटी जी सत श्री अकाल। नहीं ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਰਿਸ਼ਤਾ ਬੜਾ ਚੰਗਾ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਤਾਂ ਬੜਾ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਹੈ।
लेकिन अब बात कुछ और है।
Oh my god, who's the hot guy behind us? Where? The hot guy behind us. Where?
A bag is a man's best friend. All of these years, everyone thought that a bag was a very girly thing, right? Turns out that's not true anymore because now, oh my god, it's a man's bag! What's up? Alright, so these are my friends. That is Sarah, who's making her first debut with you. Hello, Sarah. Hi! This one, unfortunately, you know, Simrat, famous from all our previous videos, slow clap. Today we're going to be discussing the 5 kinds of bags that you absolutely must have. So the ladies are going to be my fashion guide. I'm going to be a handsome model. Bag number 1. What do you think about the messenger bag?
I like it a lot.
It's nice, small and portable.
It's a very everyday bag.
So as a guy, you probably just need glaze. You need a protein bar. You might need like some sunscreen and that's pretty much it, right?
Check out all the colors of me.
Now question, do women like guys who can experiment with color?
Yeah, only if they can carry it off.
This could just be a regular backpack. What's really making this exciting is the fact that it's neon.
Yeah.
So colors on a man, good or bad?
Good.
Good. Alright, so the good thing is I think a bag can also be something which adds a lot of color to your personality. It's kind of cool, it's kind of funky, it's like, you know, bringing it here. Now, Simrat, Sarah, question. If I have neon straps and a green and neon bag, what can I wear it with?
A white
wear
shirt.
t-shirt.
White t-shirt.
You can wear it with shirts. You cannot wear it with blazer. You cannot wear it with a tuxedo.
And you can't carry a gym bag to the office, an office bag to the gym. You can't do that at all. Simrat,
Yeah.
what else is a nice bag idea?
What do you think about this bag?
Check
OMG.
that out.
Da-da! So I love this bag. If you really look at it, it's a regular, normal backpack. The reason it's kind of cool is because it's got a cool buckle. It's got a nice design. You look like a leprechaun. See?
Yeah.
मुझे आपसे बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट सवाल पूछना है। ऐसा स्टाइलिश और फंकी बैग पहन के आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत ही अच्छा.
I don't know.
One funky, nice bag is always a good idea. But what if it's long? My trip. Okay. What if my trip is long?
It's not hotter than me.
Alright, so every guy should have one big travel bag. Look at the wheels.
Let's do a hurdle test.
This is a hurdle. I have to cross. We're going to use the doggy as a hurdle. On your marks. Get set. Go. Oh, no. Simran gets 1 point because the luggage trolley is light. The crowd is so anxious. Everyone is so nervous. Will Sarah be able to go over the hurdle? Sarah. 1, 2, 3. It's a good thing if you have a nice bright bag so it's easy to identify it. But it's the 5th bag that we are the most excited about.
Sarah, do you know what looks hot on a guy?
Leather on a guy.
La 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 la
That's best bag here. That's your 5th bag. It's the cool leather duffel bag. I have to say, I'm very, very, very fond of bags like this. I love these for even airports for your cabin luggage.
Imagine. Imagine a guy with a hot toned body carrying a leather bag to the gym with sweaty t-shirt just walking up.
Paris. It's so sexy.
It's so sexy.
Paris' bags.
Paris' bag.
Our epic OMGG.
Las Vegas is
Ego. Where can you buy all of this stuff from?